I did some research on the warm-up valve on this 931, and it is rebuildable. This is the one component that I never really checked. It was so hard to get to with the intake on the engine. So I think it behooves me to pull it off the intake. As far as I can tell, that's just a mount that doesn't have any kind of orifice or anything. I mean, there's your two fuel lines. One is the input, one is the output. It's got a vacuum assist. I don't know if that's a proper technical term. And then the connector for the current. So I'm going to go ahead and take it off the intake. And first thing I can do is measure, ohm out the electrical. If it's infinity, then there's a problem. If it's 8 to 12 ohms, that means it's okay. So basically that goes in and has a coil that heats up a bimetallic strip. So let me pull it off and I'll ohm that out. So the current test appears to be good. Got like 28 ohms across the conductors. So I'm thinking that part of it's okay. It definitely looks cruddy down in the orifices there. So there are kits to rebuild these. They're like over $100 from Germany. Of course, a rebuilt unit is more like 300. So I think what I'm going to try to do is just clean it up without disassembling it. Maybe start with some brake cleaner and then get some Techron, pour some of that in there and let it sit for a couple of days, see what comes out. So I'm also getting the turbo ready to ship off for rebuild. I'm just going to strip off this one oil hose here, and then I think I can take this bracket off as well, and that'll save a little weight and room in the box. The bracket joins right there, and interestingly enough, is also an orifice for oil. So don't think either one of those components are needed for the shop to rebuild the turbo.